Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to draw on Google Earth now. First, open Google Earth and sign in so your projects save. Choose Projects, Web, or the Add Menu Pro, and select Path or Polygon. This decides whether you trace routes or mark areas. Click the map once to start and place the first point. Don't overcomplicate the shape. Make sure to name the feature and select units. Once done, you'll have a live, editable object to refine. Once you have the basic shape, refine it by adding intermediate points and dragging existing vertices. This helps smooth curves and match roads or boundaries. You can change color, line width, and opacity in the Style menu so the drawing reads clearly against imagery. If terrain matters, tilt and zoom the view to align points with slopes or rooftops. Make sure to toggle altitude modes, clamp to ground versus absolute, so your drawing sits correct. Finish by saving or exporting. Save to My Places or export a KML/KMZ for sharing. If your drawing vanishes, check altitude settings and layer visibility because clamped or hidden layers are common culprits. Make sure you've synced to your Google account if using web projects. If tools behave oddly, clear the cache, restart the app, or re-import the KML. These steps usually restore normal function. Finally, keep a backup copy so edits are recoverable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.